Hello, let us see the learning path of getting into this field of analytics, especially for beginners. Now, beginners has this misconception in mind that data analytics and such booming fields, possibly you will be able to enter only after 3 or 4 years of experience. That is absolutely not the case. I have seen many professionals who start their journey early. Early meaning right from school days. But there is never too late. There are quite a few beginners who start their journey during their college days. And when I say college, it is not mandatory that you need to be a computer graduate or learning computer science. Absolutely no. This field welcomes any graduate, people working in any particular functional domain, be it commerce, arts, science, so people pursue engineering, medical degrees. Everybody can enter this field. Why? Because this field is all about taking data-driven decision, and data is everywhere. I'm sure we'll all agree about this. Now for beginners, as I suggested, please start early. So there is no pressure. This is not about taking pressure. So what you need to do is pick up these small courses of some 20 to 30 hours each and start your journey. Your journey will encompass learning about what is analytics, the very basic fundamentals, why one should learn analytics, what are the jobs into analytics, how much salary you can get paid, and such interesting topics for the beginners. And then eventually be a little bit serious and get into learning databases. Why learn databases? Because the data resides into database. Then learning Excel, not just for creating formulas, but how can Excel help you to get towards analytics. So there are fantastic learning opportunities where all you have to invest is about 1 or 2 hours every day, and in about 2 to 3 weeks you'll be ready with a particular subtopic. Now once you are very clear about where the data, how it gets stored into the database, you can learn certain tools like how do I play around the data, pick the data from certain sources, store it or load it into data warehouse. How do I test this particular data warehouse? Is the data which is whatever is loaded, is it correct? Then how do I create dashboards? Now what is such a great thing about dashboard? We all know the dashboards which we see in car, but organizations run on dashboards. Now we have to define these dashboards by creating various reports, and which set of reports fit into which dashboard is now art as well as science. You need to learn, and there are very easy tools where you can enter. Yes, even as a beginner you can learn these tools and then make yourself a part of data analytics industry. Now those students who have actually started great and have found some kind of inclination towards programming, and typically you learn C, C++, OOPS concepts in your college days, you could now pick up tools like R, or you can learn Python, and these tools can actually get into the field of machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science at large. And now what you can do is, using your programming skills, you could now invoke various libraries and create patterns and identify certain routines which could be part of a product development group, or which could help run automatically and identify some patterns. So the journey is interesting, it is for all, and yes, it starts with beginners. So please don't waste time. Now is the time, if you are a beginner, to get into this field. Come, join soon.